Hi guys, today I want to show you how I make my corn, or I cook my corn rather. I cook my corn. This is sweet corn. I have my sweet corn 4 already. I don't know if I will finish it. I don't think I will finish it, but I want to make everything. Don't want it to go bad, so I'm cooking everything. This corn is sweet corn. Unlike, it's different from the one we usually get way back at home. It's totally different. That's why it's called sweet corn. You know that sweet corn now, where they container, when they bite it, they do fried rice and a salad. Yeah, this is it. So I'll be cooking it using microwave. So easy. I use microwave, and I don't need water and fire to cook it. I'll just use microwave to cook it, and you guys can try it. Those of you when you get access to this stuff, to this type of corn, you can try it. If not Nigeria type of corn, not try it water because it not will work. So I'll be using microwave to cook it. So let's go as I cook it. Microwave. This is my microwave. I'll be using it to cook the corn. This is it. Cover it up. I hope it will cover. Or I might even cook it twice. I think twice. I'll cook it twice. So come on. Cook it twice. Yeah, it's better. Better this way. So this is it. I'll cook it 5 minutes, then 3 minutes. So this will go for 5 minutes now. Okay. 5 minutes. The cycle is complete now, as you can see. So I want to check it. So I hope you can see the steam coming. Is it? So I'm going to flip it over to cook the other side. So I'm going to do it for like I'll do it for 4 minutes. 4. Yeah, 4. That's it. That's 4. Our corn. The cycle is complete, so I want to bring it out now, and let's see height. Oh my god, you can see the steam. Pretty hot, right? Yeah. I need something to bring it out. It's hot. I'm gonna use this. Okay, it's hot. So this is our corn, all cooked, right? You can see it's very soft. So this is the easiest way to cook it, best way to cook. This is how I cook my corn. I had to allow it to cool down for some time so that I can eat it. Ooh, you see, all soft. Look at it, all soft. It's still hot, not that very hot, but something I can eat. The corn is sweet. Look at it, very cooked. And you guys can try it. If you have access to sweet corn, use this method. Very fast. Okay guys, if you enjoyed it, like and share. Also comment so that I can bring some more new tips for you. Bye.